peeps and lads from the entire universe, and welcome to episode 1 of me just building on the Free Friends server. It's because I don't know what to do. I don't know what to build. I don't know what to upload. So you're just gonna enjoy me building and talking for the next like 10 minutes. So, well, shall we begin? So first of all, I should probably explain what this is. This is the Great Spawn Mall. As you can see, Rue is not here. That's because Rue is a bit sick. It's not coronavirus. I mean, they only have a sore throat. But don't worry, they'll be fine. Okay, don't worry. So currently I'm building the building for 2020 fashion expert, as shown by these signs. Yeah, the building is not very fundamental. Not very good for, because there's literally gaps. Well, there's gonna be a roof. There's literally gaps, which I don't think is a very good idea. But hey, it's 2020. This year's been a bit crazy, and they don't care. So if you can hear my mouse, you might not, you might. I have absolutely no idea because I'm wearing these massive headphones, so my microphone doesn't echo. And everyone hates echo in the YouTube videos. You just can't watch it when you have an echo. I'm trying my best, guys. I'm trying. Yeah. Actually, through the middle of building this, I realized I already have a mall. Like, literally the one over there, that big wooden building. That is a mall, and this is an even bigger mall. So I'm not sure what to do with the building. Maybe we should just keep it as a mall. I mean, it's a pretty nice building. I don't want to get rid of it. I hope you can hear me well. I have these headphones. The reason I built the Great Spawn Mall, which is this, is because this is a Minecraft world called News Isle, and they built a mall, and I went into that mall in Minecraft, and the mall looked amazing. And I thought, I want to have a mall like that in my world. So a week of working, and I'm here. I probably should show you how much finished this is. This floor basically finished. Need to do the interior, like some stuff like that. Up here there's some stairs, some of this, but nothing else on the third floor. Sad, as Jake in Animations would say. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's just I have someone to talk to through this, but I'll get better at it. Yeah, the free servers has grown a lot, and I was thinking of building corridors into the aquarium where all the fish died. Yeah, because we placed the fish into a tank that was half filled, and they all just swam out of it, and yeah, let's just say it didn't go well. It did not go well. Should have known better. And also that weird oval thing is actually a metro station. Yeah, there's now a metro in the Free Friends server to simplify things, really. And also to have a nice big project to work on throughout all the spawn. But yeah, if they say same old, same you, like there's nothing really changed there, don't worry about it. There'll be a new server tool soon, maybe. I mean, yeah, hasn't been a lot to be built. So maybe like another week or two. Yeah, I hope you're excited for it. I know my fan base literally does not exist. But I'll make the most of it. At least they have a YouTube channel. At least they have a YouTube channel, which is better than not having a YouTube channel and also having a good PC. Apart from that, OBS keeps telling me that my CPU is overloaded. That's because my CPU is Well, it's a couple of years old now. Should get it replaced soon. Yeah. Like, look at this. Look at this. Look, I'm flying. I'm flying again. In the middle of the rain, you can see any lag. Oh, there's a little lag spike. And also, oh, let's show this. Let's show this. Okay, let's see. Okay, lag test. You just run around. This is a server, by the way. I think you can tell. And then look up, and then okay, let's see. Tell me if it lagged there. If it did, then yeah. No, that was actually a lag spike. It was not because of OBS. Yeah. I mean, not too bad. I think it's actually I think it's the worst on Bedrock. It's actually decent on Java. Well, for me, it's all the same. But on OBS, it's like, CPU overloaded! And no! What am I doing? Oh, lightning storm. I don't think you can hear any of it because I just made it so quiet that, yeah, I made the whole game's really quiet. So I'm sorry if you can't hear anything. Well, apart from me. Oh, that was weird. Yeah, sometimes oh wow, I haven't finished this. Elytra sometimes has bugs like that. Yeah. It's not very pretty. I'll say not pretty. And with that, the building from the outside is finished. The building from the inside, it's a different story. Let's get some of this. Oh, I have in my inventory. Okay. So yeah, I think I should build a corridor going to the aquarium. I mean, it's literally the same building type. Not actually the same. It doesn't do the same thing. But you know what would be nice? Turning that aquarium into a movie theater. Like that being the lobby. And that being like the ticket hall, some shops. And that being the actual cinema. And it's like underwater. Well, tell me what you think. I think that might be actually a pretty nice idea. I mean, yeah, the aquarium doesn't really do its job now. I could show you the aquarium actually. It's still, as I said, 2 server tour episodes ago, not finished. Actually, no, it's mostly finished. The things that I have to do are the tanks, and this was supposed to be a cafe. I mean, imagine this being a cafe or a movie theatre, like a massive screen, some seats, and this being like a ticket hall, and these being like some shops and some seating areas. That would be cool. And also, I could just build a corridor. Enough of that. Time to go back to business. That's what I should probably call this episode. I might even make like 2 episodes today. My YouTube channel does need all that sustenance. Yeah, sustenance. I know what I want to do. I want to play cool math games. Yeah, that will be my next. Ow! I hit my. That will be my next video. Playing cool math games. Because it's cool. I need to do stuff on my YouTube. I just need to. It's just crazy. I just need to. And also, you know what I also need to do? Make thumbnails on my videos. I really do need to make thumbnails on my videos. Like, it is important. Like, if you probably is a massive what happened there? It's probably a massive chance they don't watch videos if they don't have thumbnails, because that might mean the video's low quality, just like mine, or it's I don't know, bad. Yeah, so I should actually make some thumbnails. There we go. Ugly lighting fit. Okay, now let's just do. Now I'm gonna do a first actual shopping interior. beautiful. Beautiful. And I think that might be it for today. I mean, I'll do a lot more work. Well, you know, I'll do more work, but I think that might be it. And I'll see you guys maybe playing cool math games, maybe playing stuff, maybe doing stuff. So I'll see you guys later.